Newspaper paragraph 51. The revised Consumer Service Manual unveiled by the power regulator NEPRA introduces additional charges and stringent measures for electricity consumers, including a 14% interest rate on bill installments and an urgent fee for priority connections. The proposed regulations set to be discussed at a public hearing on December 19, before implementation have been announced despite a surplus in capacity and declining consumption. The new consumer manual also seeks restrictions and penalties on multiple connections at one premises and higher penalties on detection bills that are issued by power distribution companies DISCOs for suspicious consumption like a slow meter, a defective meter, theft, etc. New paragraph. Under the proposed amendments, consumers seeking priority connections will now face an urgent fee of rupees 15,000 for single phase and rupees 30,000 for three phase meters. This fee is in addition to the regular charges for new connections for domestic and commercial users up to 50 kilowatts and industrial and agriculture users, where only energy meters and cable are involved but no distribution transformer. Interestingly, in a recent public hearing, the power companies reported that against 5% growth forecast for electricity demand for the current fiscal year, the consumption was actually down 13%, mainly because of higher tariffs. New paragraph. NEPRA members expressed concern that more than 35 applications for new connections were pending with DISCOs by the end of July 2023, while the demand was going down, leading to a higher impact of capacity charges. At present, new connections should be provided to these categories within 30 days against payment of rupees 8,500 to rupees 11,500 for a single phase meter involving 20 to 40 meter cable and from rupees 36,500 to rupees 50,000 for a three phase meter. With the proposed urgent fee, DISCOs would be required to issue a demand notice the next day and ensure a power connection within 2 working days after the payment. The failure to install a new connection would require the power distribution company to refund the urgent fee and initiate an unspecified disciplinary action against the official responsible.